What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Just Norm. I am right here for the first time ever. I went to Vegas by myself, without my family, without my lovely wife. Came out here to celebrate for a friend of mine's birthday. So I am in Bally's, Las Vegas. It's the first time I'm staying at this resort, but it is gorgeous, and I actually really love it. Got this closet over here with your little safety deposit box, and then here's a bathroom. Nice. All right, nice area. Nice king size bed for non-smokers like myself. All right, got 2 chairs. I packed light. I just got 1 bag. Got the view over there. Got your little screen. Got your little charging station over here. It's really cool. So anyway, expect me to do a lot of vlogging while I'm here for these few days. Also, I'll probably be doing some experimentation with working on a different beat than what I have been working on, because I still did not finish the song that I've been working on. And if you've been following along and you saw the videos, 7 parts of it so far, and there's many more to come, because I will finish this song hopefully sometime before July. But anyway, all right, I love you all. I hope you all are peaceful, having a great day wherever you may be in the world. Thank you for being a part of the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. And thank you for giving me ideas and questions to make my mind go so that way I can study and research things to get back to you all. So, all right, adios. It's kind of weird not looking at this camera. Oh, well.